babes, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Haley J here. Today's video we are going to be doing a full face, full coverage, everyday makeup look using drugstore products. If you haven't already, go ahead and join the family. You're already here, you're already tuned in. Click that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you will never miss another upload. If you want to see how I achieve this beat and what I use, be sure to continue watching. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna start off with grooming these brows. Y'all see me looking down, I'm looking into my mirror down here, so. I like to use the Anastasia Brow Freeze. I just brush this up into my hairs, into the direction I want them to go, and kind of flatten it out. And I just kind of go upward with it. Yeah, so y'all see that difference already? I like to do skin, bit on the drugstore side. We're going to be using our Pond's Cream S 24-hour moisturizer for dry to very dry skin. What? There's glitter in there? Okay, give me a second. The devil's busy, and we're not gonna let him win today. We're not. Now I like to use the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. So I like to apply that like on the high points of my cheeks, you know, to give you that little glow situation. Cause I'm not really much of a highlighter girl, so I would rather glow from within. This Maybelline Skin Prep Pro Mattifying Toner on those oily areas of my face. It's pretty good, I can't complain. It does put like a film over the area, if that makes sense. But it really does help with oil control. For foundation, I should already know when it comes to drugstore makeup tutorials, I already know we're going in with the Maybelline Fit Me. Like, it just is what it is. If you don't have this, your video is not drugstore. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is the
staple piece of the whole situation.
Shades that I'm using are 355 and 356, coconut and warm coconut. And I'm a girl that likes to be chocolate. I like to have that deep complexion situation going on. Yes! Oh, that's it. And I'm just pat this in. I don't swipe. I don't use Beauty Blender because Beauty Blender sucks up too much product. So I use a brush and I just pat it in. Enjoy this clip.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends.
Concealer, of course, and this is also a staple piece when doing a drugstore tutorial. You need your LA girl. You need her. You can't not have her because you need her. Ooh, that's light. We're going for a bright under eye, so let's do it. Let's go all in if we're gonna go.
You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to.
So go ahead and lock this in before we blend it. Just love this spray. There's something about it. I don't know if it's cracking it or what. Take one of these black sponges. It's just so professional. Make sure your sponge is damp, babe. We don't use dry sponges over here. Beauty blender is really only necessary for these inner corner under eye situations. It's not necessary for this. We can use a brush for the rest of the face. So same thing here. I'm just patting. On this sponge, we're gonna squeeze it and we're gonna lightly tap. We're not gonna, because all that's gonna do is take up more of your product. We're gonna lightly tap it in. I think I already told y'all we're going for a bright under eye, so don't be alarmed. Y'all see it? But the thing about LA girl, she gonna give you your coverage. When you go contour, your girl likes the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I believe this is in Rich Cocoa or Rich Ebony. How little this, I don't even want this nose to be this snatched like this, but I guess we'll go with it. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Like, I ain't gonna be mad about it. I ain't gonna be mad at it. And it's all about the pattern. We ain't, see how we done lifted that face up? See how she's giving, skinny, like if I smile, it's like, Y'all see how I'm finessing? We're using concealers, babe. We're not using concealer. Finesse it. It's all the same shit anyway. Anybody gonna know? Okay. And the same thing on the other side. We just went with silence for this situation, for the blend. And we're not even done with all the creams, but we're gonna stop it right here. If God ain't done nothing else, He's already done enough. He's allowed me to make it this far. I just can't give up now. Like Mary said, He's allowed me to beat this face this bad. I can't give up. I gotta keep going. We're using the e.l.f. Putty Blush in Tahiti. I love how that sounds. I typically don't do like pinky. Like this looks very pink, but we're gonna do it. You might not even be able to see her. That's how rich this mama contour is. Rolling, but you can't really see her. I mean, you can, but you can't. Take some of this NYX Lip Lingerie, XXL, double XL. We're gonna, and this will dry on you, so I highly suggest you work very fast. This is how much I like blush. Like this is what my blush needs to do for me. Beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Like I was telling y'all in the beginning of the video, I spent some coin on your powder. I don't care what I want to say. You gotta have a good powder. You're gonna spend at least $35, $40 on a powder, and it'll last you. You know what I'm saying? So it's okay. Let's do Dermablend, okay? Because I feel like all the girls use Laura. If you don't know about Laura's the way to go. Like, you can't go wrong with Laura. I typically use translucent or translucent honey, but today we are doing Dermablend. In the shade Original, which equals translucent, it's literally a no color powder. It's white. Make sure it's even on the sponge, because however it is on the sponge is how it will be on your face. Take off whatever extra you need and press that in there. And you see, one layer! One mother layer. And this is what we looking like. And I know we're looking ashy. I know that. You don't have to tell me. I see it. OG contour powder palette that I use is a black Radiance True Complexion palette. Ooh, ooh, we love her. We're hitting pan on her as well. I also want to do is go in with a little Mocha Mami by Fenty. Congrats, Riri and ASAP on the baby. Can't wait to come to the baby shower. And she's very warm. And this is what they mean when they say bronze. Like, y'all see the difference here? This is a bronzer, okay? Yeah, the Berry Spice palette from Ulta. Go between these two. And do y'all see that though? I feel like that's all we need. Let's do some Mocha Mami on the lid. Morphe Deep Glam Face Palette. Chill. I'm going with these two. I look at this smoky eyes, so Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Liner. Cause my eyes, I really give Cleopatra Egyptian when I do the eyeliner. I don't care what nobody says. For face powder, I like to do the Black Radiance press powder. It brings some warmth and some life back into that. Y'all see how we kind of like back to life, ashy. Back to life, ashy. Yeah. Until I say, okay, this is the finished look. Don't worry, babe. It's a Revolution Reloaded Velvet Rose palette. Take this shade here and place it under my under eye because that's just how I'm feeling today. Wow. Wow. This shit looks bomb. And that's all I have to say. The crazy thing is, these brows look so mother fire and I ain't even put nothing in them. I typically don't, honestly, but for dramatic effect. And I feel like I just messed them up. A little trick I like to use is to place the powder on the top of my lip because I love to overline my lips. This is the Morphe lip liner in Trendsetter. That's how I feel about it. Powder just helps the liner stick and stay and last. For gloss, we're using the Ulta Jelly Gloss in Starfish. Soft matte lip cream. I'm just giving sexy face right now and I love it. Spray the face with the Morphe that is spraying. Okay guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any questions or comments or any videos you would like to see from me in the future, leave them down below. If you haven't already, join the family and hit that subscribe button. And if you love this video, if you like this video, leave me a thumbs up. I thank you so much for tuning in and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.